my tone. You can't step to my throne. They ain't working like me. I did this on my own. You asking where we been, huh? I don't know where to begin, huh? All this dirt on my skin. I just came here to win. I'm more than a man, I'm a monster. Somebody call a pastor, doctor. I got a 6 inch for imposters. So now I'm coming for the whole roster. It's not a game, why you playing with me? Could double back, lose track, try and hang with me. It must be in my veins, something you can't tame. Cause I break the chains. Can't control me. I got the power. I got the keys. Cause I break the chains.
What the?
Oh yeah. So funny enough, when Dennis and I were here in the winter, that tree was standing.
That's not great.
Yeah, so in one of my last videos with Dennis, that tree was standing. And people, when they break their axles, tie them up to trees.
Somebody had an oopsie.
Oh, so we're not going that way. But yeah, Dennis, if you're watching, you remember that axle.
There's the Y we're looking for.
Yes, correct. We're here. Nailed it. I'm such a good navigator. For anyone who knows me knows I'm definitely not. I don't actually care to pay attention. I just get lost. It's fun.
This here direction now to the cabin. Cool.
Yeah, water's really low, that's for sure. Deep enough to cause a problem.
Felt something weird back here. Must have just been a tree or a stump or a... Uh-oh. It's got an open front diff in that Honda. Yeah.
Oh, watch me get stuck now.
Oh, now Mama Bear's stuck. Oh, there she goes.
Mama Bear. Yeehaw.
All in good fun.
Yellow Submarine.
It's gonna go through the deep fun part. There's a big tree in the way. It appears. That one.
I was at the dentist the other day, and for some reason, decided to not be on. I'll tell my dentist story later, I guess. Okay, very good. Carry on. So anyway, I was at the dentist the other day, and for some reason, they played 60s songs. I mean, it kind of works. It's better than like your generic Guns N' Roses rock station. I just found it odd. Thought I'd share. Da, 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 Yellow Submarine. Pretty sure that's not how the song goes, but whatever. All right.
Way more fun at full speed.
Tastes like salt.
Get you guys cleaned off here, hold on. There you go, now you can see.
For those of you that watch, this is where I broke my diff on a stick. On the
oh, come on, Kyle, hit her full send.
That's funny. Ooh, there's a breeze here. Yellow Submarine. What you doing? Lining up for something I don't see? Oh, he just launched the wheel.
things are.
Where'd Aaron go? What the?
I don't know where Aaron went. He's probably
Oh, I was
doing
like, where'd you go?
bathroom things. Who knows? Sorry guys, my goggles are super, super dirty. Can't see
What you
anything.
guys doing? Yeah, he doesn't have snorkels, but
It's I gotta back in more into the trees.
hold on, I'm gonna go in with you. Let's hope this thing's still watertight. If not, I'm sorry, Cass. Why is that so angled? Dude.
Are you floating?
Yes, I am definitely floating. Whoa! I almost went ass over tea kettle. Yeah, this machine floats. Oh yeah, I'm not touching the ground at all. God. This thing doesn't have enough pep that you have to do it differently. Hi, Mom. It doesn't have enough pep to like bop it up. Just not used to it. I'm sure a good rider can pull it off, but not moi. It also floats, which is really weird. No.
I'm thinking.
Don't do that. Yeah, he's gonna tilt to the left. There's like a little ridge in there. Do-do-do-do. Little red submarine. Where are you going, bro? Whoa! What the heck? Oh! Need that. How does that happen? Yeah, it started floating away. Okay, bye.
Taking some B-roll, so go back in there and we'll get one.
I had to laugh. My seat started floating away. My seat started floating
no,
away.
I hate that. We're like a bunch
Yeah, except mine floats.
Yeah, mine is also floating.
This thing is so tippy. I think I want to go more that way to have a nice straight line. Good to go. Yeah, there's a lot of twisty ruts in there, but whatever.
That's a wrap.
Little black submarine.
Yeah. Pardon me and my tone. You can't step to my throne. They ain't working like me. I did this on my own. You asking where we been, huh? I don't know where to begin, huh? All this dirt on my skin. I just came here to win. I'm more than a man, I'm a monster. Somebody call a pastor, doctor. I got a 6 sense for imposters. So now I'm coming for the whole roster.